Hey, I got the spring the way I want it. Remember, the metal was soft, so now I have to make it hard again. And how do you make a metal hard? Heat it up and quench it off quickly. So that's what I'm gonna do. Getting it to change colors. Some people say a cherry red. I say orange. And that's about heated enough right there, I believe. So now the metal is hard again. I can go ahead and put this spring back into the barrel. And so that's what I need to do. I'm sorry if this is taking longer. I got a few personal things on my mind. A good friend of mine passed away this morning. He will be missed. But getting the spring started. Put on my other glove. Again, you want to wear gloves and eye protection if you're going to do this by hand. The hardest part is getting the spring to get into the adapter, to get into the notch, and I want to make sure I'm going the right way here, so I need to put on some eyes and see what I'm doing here. I must have measured wrong or something, because this spring is not fitting in this barrel. I don't think I cut enough off, so I'm going to have to remeasure these and the other piece. And so back to square one, because I tried putting it in the barrel. It doesn't want to fit. Like I said, I got a lot of bad news on my mind, and so I hope y'all understand that. Hope you're enjoying this video. God bless.